Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how those clean, polished cover photos show up in Figma when you're browsing your projects, or maybe you want to make your own project stand out from the crowd, then you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to set a custom cover photo or thumbnail for your Figma project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your designs instantly recognizable and easier to manage, whether you're part of a team or just love a well-organized workspace. Let's get started. So right here, I've already designed a thumbnail in Figma that I want to use as my project cover. If you haven't made one yet, don't stress. Simply create a new frame and design something you like. Your cover can be as simple as a solid color with your project name or as detailed as a mini mockup. The goal is to create a visual snapshot that communicates what's inside your file at a glance. Once you've got your thumbnail ready, let's organize things a little. Up at the top where you see your Figma pages, you'll want to change the name of your current page to cover. Just double-click on the page name. Usually it starts off as page 1, type in cover and hit enter. The reason for this is mostly organizational. By calling your main thumbnail page cover, you make it super clear what that page is for, not just for yourself, but for anyone else you might collaborate with in the future. It's a little touch that can save confusion down the road, especially if your file starts to fill up with lots of pages and design iterations. Now, find the thumbnail you've designed on your newly named cover page. This should be a frame. If it's not, click on the design and hit Command or Control plus Alt plus G to turn it into a frame, or use the frame tool to draw out a new one and copy your design onto it. Figma sets thumbnails based on frames, so it's important that your cover design is actually a frame itself. Once you've selected your frame, here comes the magic moment. Right-click right on that frame and you'll see an option pop up that says Set as Thumbnail. Go ahead and click that. It might take a second, but after you do, you'll notice that if you return to your Figma dashboard, the project file now shows exactly that frame as its new thumbnail. It's kind of like putting a book cover on your favorite novel so it stands out on the shelf. Your project will now be much easier to spot, and it just looks more professional overall. Don't worry if it doesn't seem to update right away. Sometimes Figma takes a moment to refresh. Just reload your dashboard and you should see your custom cover in place. If you ever want to change the thumbnail, you can repeat this exact process with a new frame. And that's all there is to it. Simple steps that not only give your Figma files a fresh, personal touch, but also help you stay organized and make navigation a breeze, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.